Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to add a text watermark to any PDF file. If you want to include a text watermark in your PDF, you can use a free online tool like I Love PDF. It's a simple and versatile platform that offers various PDF editing features. This is one of the easiest ways to watermark your PDF. I will provide the link to the I Love PDF website in the description. Let's get started. To begin, open a browser of your choice and search for I Love PDF. Click on the official site from the search results. Once you're on the home page, scroll down and click the watermark option. On the watermark page, you'll be prompted to upload the specific PDF file you want to watermark. Simply select the desired PDF file to proceed. After uploading the file, an operations window will appear. Here you can enter the text you want to use as the watermark. For example, I'll enter confidential. You can then customize the text format, including font style, size, and other attributes like bold, italic, underline, or color. In this example, I'll choose underline and set the color to red. Next, you can position the watermark by selecting its location on the page. I'll place it in the center, represented by the red dot. You also have options for effects like transparency and rotation. For instance, I'll set the transparency to 75% and rotate the text by 45 degrees. Additionally, you can specify the page numbers where the watermark should appear. Finally, decide whether the watermark should appear above or below the PDF content. In this case, I'll choose to place it below the content. Once all your settings are in place, click the Add Watermark button to apply it. After the process is complete, click Download PDF with Watermark to save the updated file. Open the file and you'll see that the watermark has been successfully added to your PDF. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day.